The Curio allows 3 types of stippling. Stippling is the process of marking a material surface with numerous small dots to create a pattern or image. You may stipple with either the stippling and etching tool or a pen. You can apply stipple dots in place of a design's solid lines. You can fill a design with stippling, and you can convert images into a stippled pattern. To stipple on metal or paper, place the material onto the embossing mat. Place the stippling and etching tool into the Curio's left tool holder, then load the base into the Curio. In Silhouette Studio, select any lines in your design that you want to stipple. Under the Stipple menu, check the box for Stipple Edge to convert the selected lines to stipple points. You may control the stipple point distance by adjusting the spacing option. Selecting one of the stipple fill types will fill the selected line image with your desired pattern or shape. You can adjust the following settings for your pattern or shape. Grid spacing determines the size of each individual grid square. There is one set of stipple fill shapes per grid square. Stipple spacing. Control stipple point spacing to either be closer together or spaced farther apart. Scale factor adjusts the size of the stipple fill shape within the grid square. A setting of 100% will fill each square. As the scale decreases, the remainder of the grid square is filled with blank space. Angle. Controls the angle of the stipple fill. Offset. Controls how close to or far from the edge of the filled shape the stipple fill will appear. The stipple size option adjusts the display size of the stipple points on your screen. This does not alter the actual size of the created stipple points and is for display purposes only. You can also convert imported images into stipple patterns. To do so, open an image and click on the Select Stipple Area button. Now draw a box around the area of your image that you want to convert into a stipple pattern. The Stipple Trace Area selection will provide a preview of how the intended stipple points will appear. Various stipple styles and settings can be adjusted. After setting all desired stipple options, click the Create Stipple button to create the pattern. When using Silhouette's stippling and etching tool with your Silhouette Curio, you can etch designs onto select metal surfaces. In this example, we will use Silhouette brand metal etching sheets. Place the stippling and etching tool into the Curio's left tool holder. Place the metal sheet onto the cutting mat, then load the base into the Curio. Then open your design in Silhouette Studio. When you are finished adjusting the settings, click Send to Silhouette. Once finished, remove your etched project from the cutting mat. See the other videos in our Curio series to learn more about your Silhouette Curio.